In this journey of justice for Mohbad, our eyes have seen and our ears have heard. In this one, you should get ready for this journey. It's going to be a roller coaster. You'll be amazed, you'll be shocked at the revelation of Mohbad's mother. In fact, it is a leaked audio recording of Mohbad's mother. And it is not an audio recording of one sitting. Several audio recordings of Mohbad's mother. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. Exactly how we said it in the past, that Mohbad's mother is aware of certain things. Very much aware of certain things. But why did this woman decide to pitch tent with Wunmi and her family? You'll also be shocked at what you're about to hear from Karimo also. So we have here Mohbad's mother, Karimo, and an underground investigator, or let's say interviewer, who had gone deep into Mohbad's mother to extract. And what she got from Mohbad's mother set everything on justice for Mohbad on fire. I mean, set it ablaze. There are certain things that you might have been thinking. This one, after you are done listening, after you are done seeing it all, you will realize that the journey of justice for Mohbad has just started. The reason why justice for Mohbad has gone in this direction is because certain people who are third party or second party around the demise of Mohbad, they do not want to be mentioned. They don't want their names to be put on any blog. They don't want it. It is not as if Wunmi is anything special. Wunmi is not powerful. But the web surrounding the demise of Mohbad, it is larger than what many people are thought about. Mohbad's mother, she even laid curses on Wunmi. And she said, may God give to Liam, our so-called grandson, a woman like her mother. Yes. So she's fully aware that Liam is not Mohbad's son. She's aware of it. But because of greed, because certain lawyer, you know the lawyer, the one they saw when Mohbad passed away, a lawyer, that one had manipulated Mohbad's mother. They had worked on Mohbad's mother. In fact, Wunmi's mom, Karimo, Mohbad's mother, and Wunmi, Adura, Darosha, they've all sat down together in one room. Yes, after the demise of Mohbad. They know what happened. So if Karimo is coming out to say, I know things, even though they didn't open it up to her at the beginning, later she started adding up one and one together like, wait. So that event, that meeting that we had, and I was sitting down like, I didn't know what was going on there. So this is what it is all about. You'll be shocked. This is just a tip of the iceberg. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button. Let us go into this one. It's going to be a roller coaster.
Funny enough, but they were like Yambo. Karimo fẹ́ gòkè tá bá ti play tá bá ti ṣé ká gbé Karimo gòkè ká play tó kù lọ́la ni Karimo fẹ́ gòkè ṣé ká gbé Karimo gòkè ká má play lọ okay ká play tán okay ká gbé Karimo gòkè finish yẹn tán so a gbé Karimo gòkè.
Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ lẹ́jọ́. Tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ẹ máa tẹ̀lé ìgbà tí àkọlù bá wọn. A lọ sí kúrò tó dára. Àkọlù kò tó dára tí. Àwọn ìlú máa tẹ̀lé. Ọ̀tọ̀ yìí àti ìrìnlẹ̀ tó máa ń di kóòtù ìgbà. Lọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ máa tẹ̀lé. Torí mi ò ti rí ní ìjọba lọ kóòtù náà.
Ok, mo ń bọ̀.
Àwọn ilé mi ó kò gbé ọmọ ayé rẹ̀. Ṣé mi ò gbọ́ mi? Ibi tó ti wà ní wa fún ilé pamọ́ sí ọlọ́mọdé máa ń gbé ilé.
Ok, máa play ẹ̀tàn. Máa play ẹ̀tàn. Mo tẹ ó ní kan tí mo fẹ́ play.
Okay. Use it to buy the stick. You are your sister.
Ṣé rí pé interview wa tún ṣe ìnáwó. Ṣé rí interview wa tún ṣe ìnáwó. Ó yá.
Èmi kò fẹ́ wà láfúnra mi lórí social media. Tí mo máa wọ́ mi lórí social media, ni màá ṣí ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ sì nínú Ọlọ́run kò sí nǹkan méjì o. Mo fọlọ́run bá ṣe lẹ́rìí fún.
Ẹ mọ èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ parọ́.
Olójẹ túbọ̀ ní ìfẹ́. Àná tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí mo rìkọ́dù tí mo sẹ́ndì sí yẹn Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá yín gbé omi dẹ̀ ń bọ́ lójú mi. Omi ń bọ́ lójú mi bọ̀ mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní wọ́n sọ. Mo fẹ́ lè lọ sọ fún wọn lánàá pé ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé èmi àti ìyá Mohbad ti sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàbọ̀ mo tún wò pé àwọn èèyàn máa gbóhùn mi. Yẹn mú àwọn pé àbí amárùkù ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ Monday á dẹ̀ máa wò. Kò dẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ tó filẹ̀ láàyè ńjọ́ Saturday. Kò dẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ á dẹ̀ máa wò géńdé ọmọ láìṣọ́ ọmọ oṣù kan. Mo kàn ń sunkún lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì mi lánàá ni pé wọ́n lọ́hùn irú àwọn èèyàn wo. Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? Mo wá wò pé èèyàn Adémọ̀pọ̀ mò ń ti kú látijọ́ Monday. Àwa sí. Ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ̀
gẹ́ẹ̀tì kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Interviewer yẹn ó ń tẹnumọ́ pé wọ́n ní Monday ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìyá Mohbad sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rí ṣẹ́gẹ́ẹ̀tì kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyá Mohbad ń divert ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣẹ́gẹ́ẹ̀tì bẹ̀yẹn ṣá. Interviewer sọ pé wọ́n ní Monday ló kú ìsọkúsọ lọ́sọ lórí internet bóyá Mohbad ń divert ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣẹ́gẹ́ẹ̀tì kan tó ṣe mẹ́yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún sún sẹ́yìn fún yín kẹgbọ́. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ sí Monday yẹn rárá ẹ máa gbọ́.
ṣe mi pé èèyàn tọmọ ẹkú tẹ tún wá ń ṣe báyìí báwo ni màìjíríà kàrọ èèyàn tọmọ ẹkú tẹ tún wá ń ṣe báyìí òun ló yẹ kí n túbọ̀ ní interest nínú Ọlọ́run kò sí nǹkan méjì o mo fọlọ́run bá ṣe lẹ́rìí fún.
ẹ mọ èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ parọ́.
òun ló jẹ́ túbọ̀ ní interest. Àná tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí mo rìkọ́dù tí mo sẹ́ndì sí yẹn Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá yín gbé omi dẹ̀ ń bọ́ lójú mi. Omi ń bọ́ lójú mi because most nǹkan táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní wọ́n sọ. Mo fẹ́ lè lọ sọ fún wọn lánàá pé ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé èmi àti ìyá Mohbad ti sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàbọ̀ mo tún wò pé àwọn èèyàn máa gbóhùn mi. Wọ́n pariwo Monday ni ìyá Mohbad ti lọ síbẹ̀ Dàbíṣà ló sáré lọ drop ẹ̀ kalẹ̀ Monday ló ti lọ síbẹ̀ Monday ló ti rókù ọmọ yẹn mú àwùpá àbí amárùkù ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ Monday á dẹ̀ máa wò. Kò dẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ tó filẹ̀ láàyè ńjọ́ Saturday. Kò dẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ á dẹ̀ máa wò géńdé ọmọ láìṣọ́ ọmọ oṣù kan. Mo kàn ń sunkún lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì mi lánàá ni pé wọ́n lọ́hùn irú àwọn èèyàn wo. Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? Mo wá wò pé èèyàn Adémọ̀pọ̀ mò ń ti kú látijọ́ Monday. Àwa sí. Ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkọ̀ ọjọ́ tí mo kọ́kọ́ rí yín gbàràgbàrà kí ni mo sọ fún yín? Kí ni mo bá yín sọ? Mo ní mo ti pẹ̀lẹ́ ni tó ṣépè fún yín rí. Mo ní mo sọ pé tí n bá pàdé yín lọ́nà mo lè nà yín. Gbọ̀gbà tí mo súnmọ́ yín tí mo gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. I feel for you up to date lánàá yín fi ń ṣe mí. Up to date lánàá yín fi ń ṣe mí. Kéèyàn ya ìkà kéèyàn ya ọ̀dájú àbí amọ̀gàn ẹ̀ lè ṣe ju ìtẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe yẹn lọ. Honestly speaking ẹ̀ lè ṣe ju ìtẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe yẹn lọ. Mo dẹ̀ like bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe rárá silent for now. Tell us anything for now. Family Karimo àti Karimo.
Kí n pàdé àwọn tó máa kó bá mi. Bí ìpàdé anybody. Nàìjíríà láti jọjọ́. First person.
Láyé. Ní pàdé tó máa kó bá yín.
Tí èmi àti ẹjọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Wàhálà àbígbà tó jáde primary school gbogbo kíní yẹn trauma yẹn gan máa ó lè jẹ́ ká bí amọ́ ya wèrè lọ́tọ̀ kọ́ ló má jẹ́ ká ya wèrè. Èmi mo sọ fún yín pé mo kí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé fọ́tò ọmọ yẹn gan sínú ilé tẹ́ ń wò mí ì lè ṣe mí ì lè stand there honestly. So gbogbo etí gbogbo wọn sọ yẹn jam talking lásán ni gbogbo nǹkan tó kọ̀ ń wù mí lọ́kàn mi kọjá kó ọmọ yẹn lọ sùn bó ṣe wù mí ẹ̀ka rẹ̀ yá mi àkùṣà mi bó ṣe wù mí lọ́kàn mi nìyẹn. Ìdí nìyẹn tí mo ṣe túbọ̀ move closer to you ká lè bàbá bà sọ̀rọ̀ kó jẹ́ kó lọ sùn tó bá máa wá ṣe kéèsì gbà yẹn kó continue.
Yes, kéèsì lọ́gbọ̀dọ̀ ká ṣe.
Kó continue kéèsì gbà yẹn kó jẹ́ kó lọ sùn.
Àwọn tó wá support ẹ̀ ló máa pọ̀.
Kó jẹ́ kó lọ sùn. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ kó ṣe kinní pẹ̀lú wọn gbogbo wọn ti jáwọ́. Mọ́rù tí wọ́n yẹn jà rẹ̀.
Kò sí ìgbàgbọ́ tó fẹ́ fi oṣù gan.
Kò sí o.
Ọ̀rọ̀ alákùnrin tí wọ́n ti ṣe àyẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá jáde pẹ̀lú àwọn yẹn, ayé wọn wá fà yìí. Tí wọ́n máa àyẹ̀ mọ́ sí mi, tí wọ́n kọ́ wá rí pé òun náà ti ṣe kiri. Mi ò tẹ̀ rán wọn. Kọ́ máa àyẹ̀ mọ́ iṣẹ́ yóò mọ́ ni.
Mo mọ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ yé mi láti ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yín yé mi. Yorùbá yín yé mi. Ṣé rí nítorí wípé ẹ̀yin gangan ẹ̀ tí yọ sí bàbá pé yes àjọ wà nù kínní ní báyìí ó ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí gbogbo wọn ṣe ń sọ náà láì yẹn ó wù mí kẹ́yà àti bàbá àtàwọn blessing kẹ́ parapọ̀ fún Mohbad bó ṣe wù mí nìyẹn bó ṣe wù mí kẹ́yìn mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin kẹ́ para.
ṣẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ ó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó dẹ̀ máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àníjọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ lọ court tó kí bàbá she wanted it but wọ́n tún pé wọ́n sọ fún pé Darosha and Adura is going down tí kọ́kọ́ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sóhun òun ò ní dá lọ Darosha àtàdúrà náà ń lọ pẹ̀lú òun ṣànà ṣe fún Mohbad tó fi ń fi àdúrà àti Darosha kọ́ya Mohbad lọ́rùn a máa débẹ̀.
Parapọ̀ fún ọmọ yẹn kẹ́ wá dúró pé ẹyọkan ni wá gbogbo ìta ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn jà ló dé lórí dòwe ẹyọkan làwa mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin a dẹ̀ fẹ́ sin ọmọ ìlú a fẹ́ sin báyìí ọlọ́wà dẹ̀ gbà fún wa oníkúgbè oríṣiríṣi sọ̀rọ̀ tálẹ́tálẹ́ gan ni mo fi ń.
èèyàn kan sọ pé báwo làdúrà ṣe máa lọ down a lè pe yeah because they are accomplice but tó bá tètè sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n á ṣe plead bargain because wọ́n wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ pa ẹ̀ charges tí wọ́n lè má tó ti Àṣànà but definitely àwọn náà máa lọ ìtòyà ṣe pé kọ́ tètè sọ̀rọ̀ so wọ́n á lè ṣe plead bargain fún wọn but because lawyer Mohbad ti mú sí wọn lórí yeah lesser sentence thank you lawyer Mohbad ti mú sí wọn lórí pé kò sí ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí gbogbo yín ni ṣe dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan nìyẹn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ Mohbad sọ náà.
Ọlọ́run bá gbogbo orí Ọlọ́run bá wọn èmi náà ti wọ́n fáwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
ṣe gbọ́ ó ní prime boy ó jẹ́ kán tì mọ́lé ó ní bàbá ló lọ release prime boy lọ́nà wo kí ló tó ṣe fẹ́ ti prime boy mọ́lé. Àṣànà tó wà níbi tí Mohbad ti kú tó kú sí lọ́wọ́ ó ní kán tì mọ́lé kí ni ti prime boy ṣé prime boy tí ò tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí ilé tó fi kú àdúrà wà ńbẹ̀ Darosha wà ńbẹ̀ Àṣànà wà ńbẹ̀ ẹ má gbọ́.
Ọlọ́dẹ máa gbà fọ́nù ní bẹ́ẹ̀ bí mi kì í ṣe bí mi kò lè dá fún mi rẹ̀ sọ. Má ṣe.
ó take time ó dẹ̀ ní pains nínú but téèyàn bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kù àwọn tó máa support pé that's good nǹkan táwọn tí ń wá látijọ́ yìí ni wọ́n máa pọ̀ ju àwọn abaniláyọ̀jẹ lọ wọ́n máa pọ̀ ju àwọn abaniláyọ̀jẹ lọ àwọn kan tún ti ń sọ kí ni Wùmí tún ti fún lówó mi Wùmí ti gbówó fún ẹ̀rí pé kò sọ kankan mọ́ báyìí ó ti lọ bẹ̀ wọ́n ti lọ bẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Wùmí ti fún lówó ẹnìkan ní 10 million ló tún padà fún yín lẹ́yìn tẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé
ẹ ti gẹ́ẹ̀tì kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn interviewer wa fẹ́ establish iye tó gbà.
ẹ̀rín ni pé àwọn èèyàn wa yìí ṣá 10 million tó ń tán.
tí wọ́n bá fún mi ní 100 million kan nígbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nígbà bá dé.
ní nǹkan tọmọ yẹn ti ṣe èèyàn ò lè báyọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ pé àmúmú pa nǹkan tó ń sọ báyìí lọmọ yìí ṣe fún yẹn kò ṣeé sọ. àdúrà nìkan ó ní mo yẹ sọ fún yín nínú voice note mi pé the only thing tó kù kẹ́ máa tọrọ ń sìn òun lọ́gbọ́n Ọlọ́run Olúwa gbọ́n mi gbogbo nǹkan tó máa ti ẹnu mi jáde ó jẹ́ ọgbọ́n ẹ̀.
ó ti move on ya Mohbad nǹkan tí ò yé yín nìyẹn ó ti move on ẹ̀yin lè gbàgbé ẹ̀yin lè gbàgbé torí ìjẹkújẹ ìyá ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
ọmọ 26 years ọmọ 26 years àwa tá a bí lọ́mọ hypertension ọmọ 26 years Ọlọ́run àtijọ́ ló máa ń pẹ́ kó tó ń yàn Ọlọ́run sì jẹ́ẹ̀tì ló máa ń wọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ọkùnrin lòun náà ti gbé dání Ọlọ́run ti ṣe lẹ́sùn fún Ọlọ́run ti ṣe lẹ́sùn fún Ọlọ́run ti ṣe lẹ́sùn fún ìyàwó ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà ló máa kó síta láì dà. torí ẹ̀ kó
màmá mi lè parọ́ fún irú ẹ̀ níyàwó ní kókò ní ọrùn.
ẹ máa gbọ́.
kò bá jẹ́ pé èmi ni mo ọmọ mi àtọmù báyìí kò bá jẹ́ kí àtọmù báyìí ó jẹ́ nígbà tó kọ́ lóyún ìyàwó ní kó kò ní ọrùn ṣùgbọ́n irú ìyá ẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́.
ṣe gbọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pàṣà náà ṣe dáadáa ṣe gbọ́ ó ní pápá lòlò ní kú arúgbó kékeré ó ní pápá lòlò ní kú kò ní hùn ó ní apẹ́ láyé ó ní ṣùgbọ́n kò sí bó ṣe lè pẹ́ tó irú ìyá ẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́ èpè kọ́ nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n ìta sọ àrò ọmọ Ashana how market mo retí kó tún celebrate ìyá Mohbad mo retí kó sọ pé best mother in law mo retí kẹ́ tún gbé fọ́tò síta kẹrẹ́rìn ẹ bá mi send ẹ̀ sáwọn ará Instagram tó máa ń ṣe èyá mother's love if your in-law love you you don't know what God has done for you òun lẹ ń gbọ́ yìí o eré kí lajá ń bẹ́kùn ṣe ẹ wo èpè ńlá èpè wo làwa tí ìṣẹ́ fún pápá lòlò èpè tí ò kọjá àwọn ọ̀wà èpè tọkàntọkàn ìyá Mohbad fi ọwọ́ lu àyà ni kò fọwọ́ lu egungun òrombó kéékèèké tí bàbá Mohbad ń press tán gbé orílẹ̀ wá gbórí láyà mi jòsí gbórí láyà mi jòsí gbórí láyà mi gbórí láyà mi jòsí gbórí láyà mi jòsí gbórí láyà mi. ẹ̀rí ìyá Mohbad ní inquest tó lọ lọ́ndì 15 ẹ̀rí kan tí ìyá Mohbad ṣe ìgbà tí bọ̀dà kòtò ọ̀hún mú ìyá Mohbad súnmọ́ bàbá Mohbad ìyá Mohbad ṣe báyìí. ìfẹ́ sí à ń gùn á.
ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ọmọ nǹkan kan náà gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ọwọ́ nú ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan.
wọ́n fi abẹ́ ìtẹ́jẹ́ ló wá sí ayé ọlọ́dẹ ló rán wáyé tọ́lọ́mù bá mọ̀ nípa wíwáyé ẹ̀ kò ní wáyé ẹ̀sẹ̀ ìfọ̀kàn tó lè di ọlọ́run láyé lọ́wọ́ nípa wíwáyé ìyá kò sí o.
òun á ṣe tán lágbára wòlíì ńlá kan ni Mohbad lọ́wọ́.
kò lè gbàdúrà bó ṣe wáyé kò lè gbàwẹ̀ kò lè lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kò lè kírun kò sí ìwọ̀n tó fẹ́ ṣe.
ṣẹgbọ́ Àṣànà lórí ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn ó ní kò lè gbàdúrà kò lè gbàwẹ̀ kò lè kírun kò lè lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kí ló dé tí Àṣànà ṣe láìkì kó máa deceive wa Àṣànà wọ sùtánà ìjọ yẹn dependable God kátó wí kátó sọ á ti mú Papadolo á ti wọ sábẹ́ ọmọ tata ti yarí fún sìn tata ti dàgbà Papadolo ti dàgbà no ìyá Mohbad ti confirm nsìn ó ní kò lè gbàdúrà kò lè gbàwẹ̀ kò lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kò ń kírun ibo ni Àṣànà ti rí sùtánà tó wá ń kọ dependable God all I need now is dependable God emergency God olófo wọ́n ti sọ fún pé sẹ̀lẹ̀ ni mi wèrè fọgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ sùtánà bí a máa wò ṣe fóun mo lúkèwé ni ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
Ìyẹn mọ́ mi.
Kí ló bá ṣe?
Oúnjẹ
Gbogbo náà ló máa ṣe.
wọ́n lè jáyé kiri lẹ́kì.
Ṣé gbọ́ interview wa sọ pé ìgbà tí ìyá Mohbad ní kò lè gbàwẹ̀ kò lè ṣe kíní kọ̀kọ́ ìyá Mohbad ní kí ló fẹ́ ṣe oògùn ló máa ń ṣe oògùn náà ló máa ṣe ẹ jẹ́ tún sùn mẹ́yìn kẹgbọ́n ẹni sùúrù.
Kò bá jẹ́ kí àtọ̀ Mohbad ó jẹ́ nígbà tó kọ́ lóyún ìyá mi ò ní kó kò ní rùn ṣùgbọ́n irú ìyá ẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́.
ní pé ta ni bàbá bébì ó ní kò bá má jẹ́ àtọ̀ pàpàpà ló ń jẹ́ àtọ̀ ó ní kò bá má jẹ́ àtọ̀ Mohbad ló fi bí ìyá Mohbad knows what's up but ìyá Mohbad máa bọ́ síta máa fọwọ́ gbáyà ọmọ ẹni Mohbad ló bí alẹ́ ariwo tá ò gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tá ò gbọ́dọ̀ fìjìrí o alẹ́ ariwo.
Ṣùgbọ́n irú ìyá ẹ̀ gangan irú ẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́.
Fóònù fún owó wedding Davido ni. Kò ní kò ń ṣe irú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọkọ òun.
Orí ẹ̀ ò lè ṣe láyé.
Owó wedding ọmọ ìyá bọ̀.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa bá mi máa dúpẹ́ pé ọmọ mi ò ṣe fún
ṣé gbọ́ ó ní ṣé kò rí wedding Davido ni ìyá Mohbad ní orí ẹ̀ ò lè gbà kò lè ṣerú ẹ̀ ó ní ẹ̀ bá mi máa dúpẹ́ pọ́ ọmọ mi ò ṣerú wedding yẹn fún ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ní nǹkan tá a sọ kọ́ la máa sọ abẹ́mọ̀ I will give you Sister Tawa's account or I can give you my PayPal account. Every money teba transfer síbẹ̀ ni ma bá yín send sí. I will not give you his account. I will give you my account. Please support her. She did a good job. Bó ṣe yẹ pé bó ṣe wà yín sí ó máa bínú sí mi. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn? Initially, I wanted her to get all these things, but mo àrípò ti lọ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìyá Mohbad. Mo dẹ̀ ní kó fi wọ́n lẹ̀ kó má tà sí wọn mọ́. Ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yẹn? So please support her. Bó ṣe yẹ pé I'm coming. Ẹ̀dùn ẹ̀jà bí kò yẹ báwo ṣe wá jẹ̀bi. Interview má bínú sí mi o. Ìyá mi má bínú sí mi o.
Àwọn ọmọ mi wá lọ́ṣẹ̀ káàkiri tó ń lọ raṣọ fún wọn tó fún wọn nílé tó kó tó di pé wọ́n máa yẹn gbébẹ̀ wọ́n máa yẹn rabarabọ ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́dún mẹ́fà nígbà tó
ẹnìkan ní interviewer storyteller ní
tó ti tọ́ ọbọ̀ náà àwọn jẹun tẹ́lẹ̀ ó wá dẹni tó lọ gbàgbà po omi tó lọ bá wọn ru bíríkìlà kó tó tọ́jú ọmọ mẹ́rin rabarabọ ẹ̀ ló pa. Rabarabọ ẹ̀ ọmọ ọgbà tó wà tó pẹjọ jìyà tó.
cat and dog ló bá ṣe.
tí ìṣe olópọpọ o dráìvà lọkọ ń ṣe ọkọ wa mọ́tò o tó bá lọ di ṣe dráìvì òṣìṣẹ́ jùlọ á padà sí sọ́mìlì wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ káwọn.
èèyàn kan ní the best October in the world 1st of October the best. àná ẹ jẹ́ kán lọ ta sẹ́ni mi ní gbé tábà ti play lè tán hold on mo wò ṣe fún Àṣànà ni ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ kéṣiṣí kọ́ lọ kọjá níwájú woman. Don't dare me, Àṣànà. Wallahi, I need inquest. Àṣànà, I need inquest. Don't dare me. Ma fi gbogbo ìtókù lẹ̀ fún inquest. but tó bá fẹ́ try ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá fi pé bẹ́ ṣe fún Karimo lè fẹ́ ṣe I swear with my living God wà kábàámọ̀.
Má yẹn lówó lọ́kì ṣe pé yà ń jẹ o. Ó lásídẹ́ǹtì ni o. Ṣé ìyàwó ló pa?
Èèyàn kan ní interview alágbárí.
Ó ní torí pé gbà tọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀ wà láyé kò jẹ́ kó tọ́jú fámílì. Wọ́n dẹ̀ padà wọ́n dẹ̀ lè dànù ní ilé. Wọ́n ní kó jẹ́ kó tọ́jú fámílì. Last born wọ́n ń gbà yẹn ọmọ yẹn padà fi ya wèrè ọmọbìnrin bá ọmọ kékeré. Ọmọ yẹn wà bí ní. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ mo fi Ọlọ́run bá tó ní ayé àtọ̀run mo fi búra fún yín. First born wọn Sunday. Orúkọ second born third born wọn Bọ́sẹ̀ yẹn nílò àtẹ̀jọ́ jẹ́ mate.
Wọ́n bá bí ìyàpọ̀ rí ẹ̀dá tẹ́ bá rìn jù lẹ́nu ọ̀nà obìnrin yẹn.
Ìrántí orúkọ ọmọ yẹn ọmọ yẹn padà ya wèrè ọmọ bíi 8 or 9 years wèrè gidi ni kì í ṣe pé wèrè díẹ̀ o wèrè gidi ọmọ 8-9 years mi ò rí irú ẹ̀rí láyé mi ṣebí fámìlì náà ni.
Àwọn náà lọ ṣe.
So mi kò orílẹ̀ ayọ̀ wọ́n yọ̀ ibi tó bọ́ sí ẹ wò mí lè dá ilé bí pé ilẹ̀ ṣe mistake ọjọ́ yẹn tẹ̀ ti kọ́kọ́ délé kí ló yẹ kẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́n gbogbo aṣọ rẹ̀ yapọ̀ ọmọ tí mo filẹ̀ fún ẹ níjẹta láàyè kí ló fi ṣe oyin kájí ṣe lẹ́yìn kọ́kọ́ fojú ẹ̀ gbolẹ̀ ni bóyá gbogbo fìràgà tó ń yan kiri títí tó ń ṣe fídíò kiri yẹn bóyá kò bá má ṣe kẹ́ ẹ ti kọ́kọ́ fojú.
Ojú ẹ̀gbọ́lẹ̀ tẹ́mi gan bá fi kú pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi gan. Mo bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ yìí.
Ṣé gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọlé á ti sọ̀rọ̀ tán ẹ jẹ́ ká fèé tó kulẹ̀ báyìí ẹ gbọ́ tí n bá fojú ẹ̀ gbolẹ̀ tèmi náà bá kú pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi ń kọ́ mo rò bẹ́ẹ̀ mà wọ́n tá à ń sọ yìí kí ló tún kù àfọpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run.
Wèrè gidi ọmọ 8-9 years mi ò rí irú ẹ̀rí láyé mi ṣebí fámìlì náà ni.
Àwọn náà lọ ṣe.
Olúwa lálẹ́ ọjọ́ kan Olúwa àtèṣù ló jọ ń jà Olúwa gbéṣù ṣubú èṣù ṣubú yakata ìyá àjẹ́ gbẹ́kun lé mú are you ready láti tẹ̀lé Olúwa láti ìtọ́lúwa sọ́nà Olúwa borí o Olúwa borí o Olúwa borí ọ̀tá Olúwa borí oṣó Olúwa borí. Àṣànà mo máa sọ kọ́kọ́ fún ẹ bí Yakano ti sòótọ́ kó tó parọ́ mọ́ bàbá Mohbad mo lè má dá sí ìjọ tẹ́ ti jẹ̀bi ayé yín ni pé mo dá sí ẹ rí pé nínú gbogbo àwọn tó wá justice fún Mohbad I stand to be corrected ẹ rí pé mi notice pé mi nìkan náà attack jù ni ẹ notice.
Bọ̀wọ̀ náà mi rántí orúkọ ọmọ yẹn ọmọ yẹn padà ya wèrè ọ̀rọ̀ 9 years wèrè gidi ni kì í ṣe pé wèrè díẹ̀ o wèrè gidi.
Ìfàdúrà ṣe wà láyé ìfàdúrà mi bá dànù.
ṣẹgbọ́ tí àdúrà ṣe ìwà láyé tí wọn ò tí ì bá mi pàdánù kí ló dé tó fẹ́ pa àdúrà àṣírí wọn làdúrà rí tó ṣe fẹ́ pa á lọ sí kóòtù lọ́gọ́jọ́.
Báyìí sọ pé ó ló fẹ́ jogún. Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ń disturb ṣé kò ní wá sí àwọn ń disturb òun ni. Wọ́n á gbẹ́dẹ̀ gbọ́ ẹ̀.
Ṣẹ́tìrí ó ní ṣèbí ó ti sọ pàdúrà wá ń disturb òun ìgbà tó wá sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ kí ló tún kù tá à ń retí ṣùgbọ́n a follow gbogbo protocols bó ti sọ fún yín ìjà tá à ń jà ẹjọ́ ẹ má give up.
Lọ́gbọ́n ṣe ayé mi àwọn kan tí máa ní ìṣúná pọ̀ gan.
Dof a lè blame ìyá Mohbad ṣe gbọ́ tí n bá fi ọgbọ́n ṣe ayé mi ìyá Mohbad sórí nǹkan tó sọ ẹ lásán this is your truth o lè jẹ́ adúró pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ìyá Mohbad àti wọ́ àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ tí mo bá fi ọgbọ́n ṣe ayé mi ṣe tí pọ̀rọ̀ ti sọ́ra ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín pé something is happening kò mú obìnrin ẹni tó lè kí bàbá Mohbad ń jọ yẹn ó ti sọ màá tún wá play yẹn tàbá tún bọ́ta ó ti sọ ipe tóun bá dé corona inquest ńjọ́ yẹn òun máa kí bàbá ṣùgbọ́n mo bọ́ta mo pa lówe ṣe rántí mo ní ìyá Mohbad I will advise you tó bá dé inquest lọ́la kí ọkọ ẹ fà mọ́ra gbogbo yín wò pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyá Mohbad má gbọ́rọ̀ sí Bukky lẹ́nu.
Àti ìbáṣe ọgbọ́n lo ayé mi. Ṣàdúrà gan tèmi gan mo bá gbé àgbọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n bó ṣe ń gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n. Ọmọ mi gan olè gbàgbé mi ọmọ bí ṣe wà ní àdúrà. Ìgbà tí mi wáyé láyé bí mo ṣe bá rìnrìn àjò ẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe máa fọ bọ́ọ̀lù. Ìjọba fọ bọ́ọ̀lù. Ọgbẹ́ ìmọ̀ àwọn pípọ̀ yìí. Mo ní wá blé mi mọ̀ mí fẹ́.
ṣé ń gbọ́ ó ní gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ àwọn pípù yìí kíkà ní mọ́sáré sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ màá wá pé best caller wọlé kí best caller sọ̀rọ̀ ká wá parí ẹ̀fẹ́ ní ká wá fẹ̀yìntì ká máa gbọ́n ẹsẹ̀ ká wo bó ṣe ń lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká pé Karimo Sókè ń bọ̀ ibo ni mo lọ tẹ̀ ń bọ̀ ẹ dúró.
Ìyá Mohbad ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa gbé Wùnmí ṣépè mo sọ mo ní jọkọ mo ní Wùnmí ìyá Mohbad sọ gbólóhùn méjì kan fún ẹ tó bá tọwọ́ bọ̀ mí lẹ́nu máa sọ gbólóhùn méjì yẹn màmá ti sọ kánú ẹ̀ sìn mo kàn rí pé a máa wà lókè yàrá Wùnmí màmá máa gùnkè wá láàárọ̀ wọn wá kí wa tí ìyá yẹn bá lọ tó bá tó ṣe mọ̀ wọn ò lè gbé sára tó bá lọ tó bá bọ̀ wọn á ní mọ́ Wùnmí tó bá dà mí mi ò dá ẹ ó bọ̀ tó bá dà mí ò ní bí ju Liam kan ṣo tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yẹn lọ òun lẹ́yìn kan tó sọnù ẹ̀yẹn ǹjọ́ tí màmá kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ gbogbo wọn wojú ara wọn èmi nìkan ni aráàta láàrin wọn ṣé mo kọ́lọ̀ ń ṣàánú mi Sister Bukky mo ti kọ́ ọgbọ́n kò sí nǹkan mi kí ẹ̀bẹ́ni náà ṣe lè rí mi jẹ́ gbèjà èèyàn mọ́ láyé mi.
No, please don't. Ṣé bí òun ló sọ èmi di bí tí mo dé.
Èèyàn mọ́ ní ayé mi. Mo fò dìde mo ní á. Màmá kí ló dé láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù tẹ́ ń wá ṣépè fún Mọ́wùmí. Màmá tún ní Mọ́wùmí tó bá dà mí ò ní fẹ́ ọkọ mi lẹ́yìn ọmọ mi. Ọmọ mi nìkan ló máa ṣí ẹ láṣọ wò tó máa fi kú.
Èpè yẹn dẹ̀ ló tún ṣẹ̀yìn.
Mo ní màmá ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ dá padà. Ṣé fi sẹ́nu ni kí ló dé tẹ́ ń wá ṣépè àríyá ọtí ẹ kò yín ẹ rí àwa ẹbí ọmọ lórí ìjókòó ẹ dẹ̀ wá ń ṣépè fún ọmọ wa lójú wa màmá ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ gbogbo wọn ti mọ nǹkan tó ṣe èmi nìkan ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ mo expect kí ìyá Wùnmí go tara ó fún ọmọ màmá
kò lè ṣe
ìyá Wùnmí ò tara ìyá Túndé ò tara èmi nìkan ni mò ń jàràn pàǹpà láàrin wọn ó ní màmá nǹkan kíkan tó bá wà láàrin yẹn yanjú ẹ má wá ṣẹ́ èpè fún àbúrò mi mọ́ mo ní ẹni kò ní bímọ mi lẹ́yìn Liam mo náà máa bí gba ọmọ lẹ́yìn Liam ẹni kò ní rọ́kọ mi fẹ́ lẹ́yìn ọmọ yín tó bá dà mo náà máa fẹ́ àìmọye ọkọ ìtọ́ba àìmọye ọkọ ló máa bẹ̀rù wò ìtọ́ba àwọn ló máa choose ń bẹ̀ ìyá yẹn ṣàbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ pé ìyá yẹn wá dákẹ́ wá mírí báyìí pé gbogbo wọn wò mí data aṣàparí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bó mú àgbà tí mo wá jẹ́ àti pé mo mọ̀ ìyá tó bí wa lọ́mọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ́ sọ pé mo ń gbé ìyá Wùnmí ṣépè bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bí gba ọmọ kò ní kù kan tó bá jẹ́ bí ìyá gbogbo yín ṣe ń ṣeré ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú abiagba tó bá jẹ́ pé bí ìyá yín ṣe ń kó yín síta bí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ rèé tó bá jẹ́ bí ìyá tí ń ṣe ń balẹ̀ ayé jẹ́ rèé tó bá jẹ́ ńgbà tí ìyá yín rán yín lọ lé ọkọ ìyá yín náà pẹ̀lú báyé yín jẹ́ lé ọkọ yín ó bá yé ọkọ yín náà jẹ́ pé pé yẹn ò ní ṣẹ́ mọ́ yín lára màá ṣe wá rí gbogbo nǹkan báyìí tí màá fọwọ́ bò Sister Bukky gbogbo àwọn kan tí mo gbọ́ lélẹ̀ mo ní no I can't be a part of this ìtìjú gan fún mi ni pé ìyá wa àti ìyá Túndé ó ti balẹ̀ ọkọ Wùnmí jẹ́ kémi tó dé Nàìjíríà.
Allahu Akbar.
Mi ò ṣe dé Nàìjíríà kó máa sọ fún mi pé ẹ bá wa kí mọ́mì o ẹ bá wa kí mọ́mì ìyá dáadáa ni wọ́n mi ò ṣe dé Nàìjíríà kí n máa gbọ́ ẹ̀ mo dé Nàìjíríà mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbọ́ ìwọ orí burúkú tán ti wùjọ ẹ̀yin lẹ mú rọ́mọ lọ lé ọkọ ẹ rán ọmọ lọ lé ọkọ ẹ̀yin náà lẹ tún lọ ba lé ọkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́.
Allahu Akbar.
kí ló ń ṣe yín ṣé bó ṣe ń ṣe nìyẹn ni ó dẹ̀ rí ilé ayọ̀ kò mọ́yọ̀ lóòótọ́ Wùnmí ìwọ náà mọ̀ ìyọ́kọ ẹ̀ sàn kankan ìyọ́kọ ẹ̀ ló parọ́ mẹ́ ìyọ́kọ ẹ̀ ló sọ fáwọn pé ó parọ́ mẹ́ta kan fáǹtì Kàrímọ́ pé ká ló dẹ̀ mọ́ ò bá má parọ́ mẹ́ta yẹn fáǹtì ẹ̀ ó máa rókì lọ́kàn ẹ̀ ó mọ̀ pé tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ló súnmọ́ ayé ẹ̀ ò ní rí bá yí ẹ̀ ṣe rí ìyá Túndé tó fi ṣẹ̀gbọ́n tó fi ṣe kinní sórí ibi tó bá èdè sórí mi kòrónà lánàá sórí mi kí n dúró tiẹ̀ mi ìbá yín jẹ́gbì mi lè bá yín kúgbì
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o
ìwọ àti ìyá Túndé náà lẹ́jọ́ máa wọ́ra yín kiri bí afọ́jú oníbàárà ẹjọ́ jẹ́ ni ẹjọ́ ọlá ni omi tó rú ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹjọ́ gbé mu ni so ẹjọ́ máa díù pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin adójútì ni ẹbí gbogbo yìí ṣẹ́gẹ́ẹ̀tì mo wá jókòó gbà mo mọ àwọn ẹbí mi wọ́n tún ti gbéṣe wọn débi báyìí nìyẹn wá farabalẹ̀ mi wá bá ìyá Mohbad jà mọ́ ìyá Mohbad ilé yẹn ṣe mọ́ ilé Lẹ́kì ìyá Mohbad ò ráyè rojọ́ fún mi bọ́ mo mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ìyá Mohbad bá ti dé báyìí ara ìyá Wùnmí ò ní balẹ̀ wọ́n máa lọ máa bọ̀ wọ́n máa ṣe kinní kan Wùnmí wá lọ fún ìyá Mohbad in close marking tẹ́ bá ti ṣẹ́jú pẹ́ tẹ́ bá ti rí ìyá Mohbad inú ilé ọ̀dọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti rí Wùnmí lókè wá lọ jókòó ti ìyá Mohbad pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ fún ìyá yẹn close marking mo wá switch mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọ́jú ìyá Mohbad mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọ́jú ìyá Mohbad ó máa yàyà yẹn náà lẹ́nu nígbà tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣẹ́gẹ́ẹ̀tì
mo ń gbọ́
gbogbo wọn wà surprise pé kí ló ṣe ìyá Jordan tó switch and I'm glad I did that. I'm glad I didn't fight that woman. Mo sọ fún yín mo náà tẹ́nà mi bad gan. Kí ló yàtọ̀ nù nǹkan tí mo sọ tí Sister Bukky sọ yìí?
Kò sí.
Kí ló yàtọ̀? Mo ní kẹ́ má tì mí. Ṣòro pé àwọn tó ń bẹ ẹja ṣòro pọ́n sọ̀pọ̀ unlike ẹni.
Wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́.
Àwọn ló bá
tí àfòkúgbà bàtà bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ ni kò ní máa ṣépè fún ọmọ yín àtẹ̀yìn níjọ́ birthday. Ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni olórí burúkú ajé ajágbé.
Ìyá Mohbad ẹ bọ́ sí wòwò ẹ sọ pé ẹni tó bá gbé Liam ṣe pé ìyá ọkọ tèmi náà ti bọ́ sí wòwò ó ti dá padà fún yín àtijọ́ wà lójú war zone báyìí ọmọ òjò ọmọ lọ ẹ wá bọ́ sí wòwò ẹ bọ́ sí òṣè bá gbé pè tẹ́ṣẹ́ ojú tèmi lẹ ti kọ́kọ́ ṣe èpè nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ wojú yín nígbà tí ní September tí mo dé Nàìjíríà ni ẹ gbé ṣe èpè ẹni kò ní bí ju Liam lọ ẹni kò dẹ̀ ní rọ́kọ fẹ́ tó máa fi kú ẹni ìlérí Olúwa nìkan ṣo ló máa fẹ́ láyé àti lọ́run tó bá dá yín ǹjẹ́ ṣé kó wá dá yín nínú ìrìn àjò ó dá yín eré kí lajá ń bẹ́kù ṣe òní gbogbo ìtẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn ni mo ti sọ fáwọn pé ẹ lọ fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ẹ má wo ti yín ìfẹ́ tá a fẹ́ kinní kan kò dénú ká bá pàjẹ́ ni. ìjọ yẹn tí interview wà débẹ̀ màmá pè mí pé èèyàn kan fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní látàdúgbò àwọn bí I think it was on the weekend tí n bá parọ́ tí n bá ṣèrántí a ti máa lọ bí 2 months báyìí start.
wọ́n sọ fún mi wọ́n ní ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn pé ṣé kò ṣe Bukky Jesse lọ́wọ́ wọn. wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
mo dẹ̀ protect ìyá Mohbad o mo dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ìyá Mohbad o màmá ẹ̀ bá má dà wá olórí ṣé mo ké mo sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Bukky ẹ má bínú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Òòṣà Tẹ́mì àti Caro White àwọn tó parí ìjà yẹn nìyẹn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Tẹ́mì Bukky Jesse ẹ má bínú kò ṣe yìí orúkọ yìí gan tí kò sí mi lẹ́nu Òòṣà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Caro White àti Tẹ́mì àwọn mẹ́rin tó pè ya yìí nìyẹn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bẹ̀ wọ́n ń bẹ̀ lọ́tún wọ́n ń bẹ̀ lósì lẹ́yìn tí màmá jáde tán wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bẹ̀ King White I respect you enough King White mo pọ́n yín lé gan ṣùgbọ́n mi mọ̀ pé ẹ kì í ṣẹyẹ funfun tẹ́ pera yín ẹyẹ ṣe bí ṣọ̀hún lẹ pera yín you can hate me o if anybody tó bá fẹ́ hate mi kó hate mi tí n bá dúró tìyàn tí n bá rí pé ẹnìyàn ń ṣẹni tí mo lè dúró tì máa padà torí pé mi ì ní jẹ́ kẹ́niyẹn kó ìdọ̀tí bá èmi torí mi ò ní parọ́ mi dẹ̀ ní ṣèdọ̀tí tí máa fi jáde láyé. It's not my fault kò bá star mi mu ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o àwa kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
King White kí ló dé tẹ̀ ń obstruct justice kí lẹ̀ ń wá kiri kí lẹ̀ ń wá kiri ẹ lọ jókòó King White ẹ lọ jókòó ẹ wá justice ìkà nìyí ìkà òun nìyí ìkà ò jẹ́ ṣe tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìkà ò jẹ́ ṣe tiẹ̀ kí lẹ̀ ń fún ìyá Mohbad ní close marking kí lẹ̀ ń choke ìyá Mohbad fún stop choking ìyá Mohbad leave her alone stop choking her. You are choking ìyá Mohbad. It is too much. Give her a breathing space.
Sísì mi, ẹ wo bí ilé ìyá Mohbad ṣe jìnnà tó. Kágo White la kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀ láàárọ̀.
Iṣẹ́ tó gbé lọ́wọ́ ni.
Àmì ti ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn.
Iṣẹ́ tó gbà ni.
Iṣẹ́ tó fún nìyẹn kó máa ṣe.
Iṣẹ́ tó gbà ni. King White, mo dẹ̀ pọ́n máa yí le gan. Mo máa ń gbé yín gẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀ ni. Àmọ́ mi bá yín bí tó yẹ kí n ti bá yín. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mò ń sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ kí bàbá àti màmá parí ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ yọ ìyá yìí kúrò níbi tó wà. Ọwọ́ àwọn tó wà.
My darling sis, I tried my best. I just didn't come out to tell anybody.
How much more bàbá tó bímọ fún?
Ìyá mi, we did it. Even pẹ̀lú bọ̀dà kòtò ọ̀hún. Mo rán bọ̀dà kòtò ọ̀hún gan lọ sọ́dọ̀ ìyá Mohbad. Let me now come out for you.
BJ, I know you did.
Wọ́n ti fẹ́ meet.
And Baba tried. BJ, Baba tried. Baba requested, Baba called Mama Mohbad. Time yẹn Mama pa phone. Ẹ mọ̀ di tí Mama fi pa phone. Ṣé rí lẹ́yìn tí Mama jáde tán, tó fàájà tán. Àwọn apọkọjá yìí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pè.
Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pè wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Fóònù Mama fẹ́ lana. Mama bá lu fóònù pa fún bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta.
Mama sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn. Wọ́n náà ń pè àwọn làwọn ṣe pa because káwọn náà tó get through.
Èmi ò ní parọ́. Mi ò ní ṣèbàjẹ́ o. Èmi ò ní ṣèbàjẹ́ ọmọ làkejì. Màá ṣe rere láyé, màá ṣe rere.
Okay.
Mama pa fóònù fún gbogbo àwọn apọkọjáyé nígbà tó fẹ́ pe fóònù wọn pa. Àsìkò gbà yẹn ni bàbá pè sí. The phone was switched off.
Ejo man mo cut yẹn.
Sister Karimo, hold on. Oh yes, sir.
Please, that woman is she's receiving threats at the moment. I don't know what you can do about this.
Who is threats?
This woman that play voice note. She's receiving threats. I have the threat note. Please do something about it. She has to move out of where she's living at the moment. Please.
Okay.
She's receiving threats. Please.
Hold on. Hold on, sis.
She's receiving threats.
She was calling me, but
yes, she's receiving threats. She has to get to me. She's receiving threats.
She was calling me, honestly.
She needs to go and get an hotel. She has 3 children, please.
Okay.
I just play for now.
We will move her immediately.
First, please.
We will move her. Don't worry.
First.
Let me call her.
You need to move away from that area fast, because they don't know.
Yeah, don't worry. She will leave.
George, she's receiving threats, please.
Hold on, Mama. Phone. Mama.
She can't answer. I just want her to just keep her phone because she's really. I don't
okay.
I'm not on phone right now. But right now, I don't know what you can do about this.
Okay.
The police station go.
I'm not worried. Sister Karimo, I want to end this chat. Okay, yeah, Professor.
Ìjọ yẹn tó débẹ̀.
Sis me. Kilo auntie kini. Ẹ bá wọn chat. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi sọ fún ọ pé
ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sí hotel.
She should keep herself safe. Go to hotel. Then we get her a house. We get her a house tomorrow.
Sister Bukky, ẹ̀yin report fún authority on her behalf.
Yes, I will do that.
Police station fúnra wọn.
Come report.
Come on, report fúnra wọn.
Don't Emma report. I will sort it out. Emma worry.
That's why I told her not to go to police station. I was even trying to get a lawyer to follow her to go and report that threat.
Okay. Show me number gbogbo àwọn people here abi. Wọ́n ní number wọn.
Number tani.
Number àwọn people here.
This world is full of wickedness. This world is full of evil. What more can we say? What more can we say? What more can we say? So, Mohbad's mom claimed that the reason why she has decided to keep quiet and pitch tent with Wunmi at the expense of justice for her son is because she is afraid. She said if she opens her mouth to talk at the beginning, who knows, maybe she and Adura would have been snuffed out. She said we don't know the kind of people we are dealing with. Well, she might be a simp. She might be a weakling. She might be empty. She might not be well informed. We are ready. Not because of Wunmi. Wunmi is nothing. We are talking about the structure around Wunmi. That structure that she is relying upon. That structure that is hiding behind darkness to operate. That is what we are after. Wunmi is nothing. Wunmi is nothing. Wunmi is empty. So, according to this leaked audio, Mohbad's mother and Karimo testified to it. She said, right in my presence, I was in that house, seated, and I'm kind of wondering, what will prompt Mohbad's mom to lay curses early in the morning on Wunmi? And my mom is also there, and none of them could say a word. This is strange. She said she, being the only neutral person who is not aware of the previous happening and what they all know, she had responded back to Mohbad's mother like, how dare you lay curses on my sister that Mohbad is going to be the last man ever in her life, and that Liam is going to be the last child whom we will ever have. And we are talking of Mohbad that is no longer alive. So she's kind of wondering like, what kind of curse is this? Why are you laying curses on my sister? This is not supposed to be. Why are you laying curses on her early in the morning? And you've been doing this for several mornings. What is going on here? She said to her amazement, our own mother and Wunmi could not open their mouth to defend. They could not say anything. Everyone kept mute. They were all looking at each other's eyes. Adura, Mohbad's younger brother, was there too. All of them there. And also, our auntie, that is our mom's younger sister, the one they said account, this and that, they were transferring Mohbad's money here and there, moving it around. She said all of them seated there. None of them could say, why are you laying curses at our daughter? Why are you laying curses on my daughter? Why are you laying curses on my niece? None of them. They kept quiet. Then she started thinking, it seems there is something between these people. Something hidden. And it has to do with the demise of Mohbad. Mohbad's mother had said, Wunmi, if you betray me, you know I have not betrayed you, but if you betray me, if you betray me, if you betray me, what does that mean? If you betray me? Meaning Mohbad's mom knew what happened. She decided to join in support of Wunmi to protect the interest of Wunmi, to make sure that everything goes underground. All the while she was saying, Naira Marley, oh. She knew what was on. Then Iyabo Ojo, aka Secretary Queen Mother of whatever, all of them in the matter, all of them. So she kept cursing Wunmi, saying, Wunmi, if you betray me, this is what is going to happen. And she said she had responded back to her and said, God forbid, what you are saying will not happen to my sister. Then she said she observed that all through, morning, afternoon, night, Wunmi was constantly with Mohbad's mom. And she's like, why is this girl giving Mohbad's mom what they call close marking? Why are you like running around this woman here and there? You don't want her to speak. And she also observed that they were sort of trying to make sure that Mohbad's mom does not connect to her. And she's like, wait. Okay, she decided to take the bull by the horn. She started taking care of Mohbad's mom, like taking her out, shopping, food, here and there. Because she knew that something is wrong somewhere. But she could not put her fingers on it. Like she couldn't lay her hands on it. Like, what exactly is this thing that is wrong? But she was suspicious. But she could not accept within herself. Because it is unbelievable. Yes, she could not accept within herself, like, how is it possible that a woman, a mother, will keep quiet, pitch tent with the prime suspect, with someone who is directly and indirectly involved in the demise of her son? To what end? This is impossible. So she could not be forward to be like, wait, Mohbad's mom, tell me, are you saying that my sister, are you covering for them? It was impossible for her at that time. She kept quiet. She didn't say nothing. But these curses every morning coming from the mouth of Mohbad's mom, it bothered her a lot. Now, this underground interviewer or investigator that was sent to Mohbad's mom from Bukky Jesse, she had planted that person, be friendly with this woman, promise her heaven and earth, be friends with her, give money, make friends with her, act like a confidant, you will get info. And not just that, there are a lot of audio recordings. In this, Mohbad's mother poured out her heart. She poured out her heart. In fact, she made it clear that Liam, as she has observed, that this child may not be for my son, but I'm just thinking if we can embrace this little boy for the sake of my son's music revenue. So she had been told by that fake lawyer, the lawyer that has disappeared, that if you want to get your son's revenue or money, it is through this boy. So now, Mohbad's father saying, I want DNA, this child is not for Mohbad. She, being an uneducated person and greedy, also disliking Mohbad's father's interest in another woman and not herself. She felt that Mohbad's father should be dealt with. That is the reason why she came out doing all of those drama, saying, why? Because her eyes was focused on what they can get, the revenue. How can we get all of these millions? She has been told the amount. So every morning, every night, it's like a nightmare. She's just calculating like, Mohbad's father is going to make us not have this money. Oh my God, let them bury this boy so that we can share the money. To her, Mohbad is not alive anymore. Are we going to lose these millions accumulating? Are we going to lose it because this man is talking of DNA? Our little brain could not process that justice is more important. And after justice is gotten and DNA is also done, who else? But then she might be like, maybe the money will go to Mohbad's father and Mohbad's father will give me a little bit of it or will not give me anything at all. Greed, pettiness, emptiness. So sad, isn't it? She went ahead to talk of what she observed and many other things. And the interviewer was pushing in. How can it be that your son passed away on Monday and you saw your son on Saturday, just one day off, Sunday, that he went for the show, and on Monday you already got to know? And how were you able to keep? Mohbad's mom obviously spotted that this is a trap, and that is the part that she is involved in the whole story of the demise of Mohbad. She was aware that something had happened on Monday. She was aware before the announcement of it. So these are part of what she's telling Wunmi. Wunmi, if you betray me, meaning I kept my mouth shut, is my son. I didn't do nothing until the announcement. This brings us to why she ran away from going to Mohbad's house. She didn't want to go there. She escaped. She didn't want to go to Mohbad's house. Maybe it's a good thing that she didn't go there. This is so sad. This is so sad. I don't know if you guys are connecting the dots together. This woman said a lot of things. And most of the things she said, Karimo confirmed it. So what does this, what is this telling us? That having a father and a mother does not mean that your life is safe. Yeah. Having a father, having a mother does not mean your life is safe. Having a father, having a mother does not mean they will fight for justice on your behalf or even protect you. The same goes to children too, or partner, husband, wife. In this world, it seems everyone is on his own. You are all on your own. You're on your own because we don't know what is what, who is who anymore. Can you imagine? So she's aware of this. In fact, she said a lot of things that will shock a lot of people. Now, with this audio that got leaked, do you know that the underground interviewer immediately they sent in their squad, the squad that works to eradicate, to erase, to delete people. They sent in their squad. They sent in their squad to delete that interviewer. Already, they got wind of this broadcast and quickly they swung into action. I'm talking about the team RIP, the Akokojaye, the RIP squad. They quickly swung into action. Panic set in. The woman had to call in like, hey, my life is not safe anymore. I'm receiving threats. I have to do something now. They want to RIP me. They want to buy me. I'm receiving threats. Please do something. It means anyone that is connected to getting this justice, once you are known, what they do is to buy that person, to RIP that person, to delete that person. You might be wondering, what is the government doing? Is Wunmi this powerful? Nigeria is a big country. And there are certain people who have friends, and there are people who are connected to certain activities. It's not as if Wunmi is powerful. I want you to take note of this. It has nothing to do with the proximity of Wunmi to power. Wunmi is nothing. She's empty. But you need to understand how the system of any country works. It starts from the enforcement agency, the police. The president of a country or any country cannot go and arrest anybody or begin investigating, searching. No. There are people that are assigned to do certain jobs. Now imagine if those people that are assigned, they are connected to certain people who are willing to give certain people certain amount of money, or they are friends of certain people, or they are relatives of certain people. You know, that's the complexity of this thing. Now you'll be wondering, how much does Wunmi have to give? Yes, we know they are spending a little bit of Mohbad's money, but it is not That is not what is creating this problem. But I want you to understand that if you have rats, rats are not powerful, but they can be dangerous. You cannot compare a rat to maybe a lion or tiger or maybe some other rodents that are more, or even a shrew compared to a common rat. But rats can be dangerous. So imagine you have rats as police officers. Just imagine the amount of damage. That is what we are talking about. It is not a joke. This is a serious matter. This is a serious issue. This is a serious issue. So these are some of the things that Karimo said. She had all of this. People were thinking she does not have it. She said she has it all, that she had kept all of this, and she knew within herself, but she was just being kind of careful about it, because there are certain things that you will not want to believe it. Like, no, it's not possible. How can Mohbad's mom be aware of this or not aware of that? It is not possible. What are they covering? What is going on? So for Mohbad's mom to now start laying curses and embracing Wunmi, or is it Wunmi embracing her at the inquest? It speaks volume. So she's now saying the reason why she's doing certain things is because of safety for her life and that of Adura. She claimed that if she does not operate this way, anything can happen to her. So we are asking, who are these people? Is she repeating the lies that Wunmi said, industry gods, these people are dangerous? Or she's also going by the stories that Mohbad gave to her mom back then, saying, these people, mom, don't worry, I will handle it myself. These people are dangerous. Don't go out there to fight them. They are very dangerous. Who are these people that are dangerous? Are we talking about these local peddlers who are connected to certain people who are loyalists of a particular political party, who have police paid on their payroll? What exactly is going on here? Because this demise of Mohbad seems to be opening more and more, like opening up certain things that people never thought about. I don't know what you think of this one. It is serious. It's becoming serious. We are beginning to people are beginning to kind of have goosebumps. They are like, wait. I don't get it. Are you saying Mohbad's mother is aware of certain things, but she's afraid? She's worried for her life. She's afraid that they might snuff her out. She's afraid that they might erase her or delete her. She's afraid that... what exactly is this thing? What exactly is going on here? Who is covering up here? Who is covering up here? What do these people know that they are not willing to divulge? Are they protecting certain things that they are afraid of spilling out? What is going on here? What is going on here? So, paternity issue, it is clear from what she said. It is glaring from what she said. Everything is out there in the open now. It is glaring. Everything is open. The paternity thing is open. So Mohbad's mother is aware of the possibility of that child not for Mohbad. Fully aware of paternity, fully aware of everything. She's just hoping that money from Mohbad's music revenue will come in to her pocket. Is that all that matters? Mohbad's mom, it's time for you to do the needful. You have to do more than this. You have to do more than this. Enough is enough. We are not accepting this foolishness anymore. So you know the truth. And they say, if you know the truth shall set you free.